The wait is over. You're going to want to take this tour with me of this absolute stunning estate home in sought-after Lansdowne. Featuring over 3,600 square feet of luxurious living space on a private street steps to Whitemud Ravine, this property checks all the boxes. It is located on 126-3152 Avenue. Don't miss out on this tour. This property is fully finished, 3-story masterpiece. Features 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and 2 half bathrooms, and a triple oversized garage. It is spectacular. The main floor showcases soaring 9-foot high ceilings, an oversized entry with featured glass wall, glass railing, and a designer kitchen with premium KitchenAid appliances. A side-by-side fridge that even retails at $11,000. Nothing short of luxury was spent on this property. Deep cupboards and drawers, a wine bar with wine fridge, large dining area, fits 8-person table. There's a mudroom with feature wall and 2 large closets and a walk-through pantry and a spacious powder room. Bright and airy with floor-to-ceiling windows and a lovely patio. As you move on to the second level, there are 3 big bedrooms as well as a lovely luxury style primary bedroom, complete with a stunning spa-like ensuite with a soaker bathtub, walk-in custom tiled shower, heated floors, as well as a custom walk-in closet and built-in vanity. On this upper floor, there is also an extra large laundry room with built-in cabinets. Tons of glass, tons of natural light, large triple-pane windows throughout this home. This home is perfect for a family or just an executive who wants to live large in Lansdowne. Moving on through, there's a 4-piece bathroom on the second floor, all with quartz countertops, tile surrounds, soaker bathtubs, and each bedroom has very large closets and tons of natural light. The best part about this property is as you move on to the 3rd floor, where there is a huge loft with a large powder room and expansive south-facing windows and direct access to, yes, your rooftop patio. The rooftop patio is around 400 square feet and it is got views of the Whitemud Ravine. It's great to entertain in. It even has a gas hookup up there. It has expansive views. It's quiet, serene, and it is lovely. Moving on through the home, following the beautiful glass railings, you move into the fully finished basement. This is got 9-foot high ceilings down here. It also has 2 additional bedrooms and a full 4-piece bathroom, as well as storage space. There is no restricted covenant, so it's flexible for future garage ensuite if you would like. And there's custom blinds throughout, professional landscaping, mature trees, perennials, and a feature fence throughout this property. The triple car garage has got plenty of space for storage or for that growing family that might have a teenager that might have their own car later on. Now, the spot is stunning. You are within 1 block of all the Whitemud Creek trails. You're 10 minutes from the University of Alberta, 20 minutes from downtown. It's a quick commute to anything. This location is perfect. Don't miss out. Karen Stanko with RE/MAX.